All right, so we need to find angle A and angle B. So I'm only going to do one of them. So let's find angle B. So for angle B, what information do I know? The opposite, and I know the adjacent. So the trig ratio that uses that. So some old hippie caught another hippie. Right? If you need to, write this down in every problem. I have the opposite and the adjacent, so I'm using the tangent. So no, the tangent of angle B is equal to the opposite, which is 10 over 15. So to get the measure of angle B, I've got to use the arctan of 10 over 15. And so that's going to give me angle B. So the arctan, 10 divided by 15. I get angle 33.69. So that's equal to angle 33.69 degrees. Done. So there's a tangent example. So let's find, we did angle B last time, let's do angle A. For angle A, that's my opposite, and I have the hypotenuse. So what's trig ratio uses that? Sine. So I have sine of angle A is equal to 16 over 18. So to solve for angle A, I've got to use the arc sine. It's just a matter of plugging and chugging. Arc sine, 16 divided by 18. And I get 62.73. So 62.73 degrees. Okay, so on this one, it wants us to find angle B. So angle B is right here. I have the opposite and the hypotenuse, because that's across from the right angle. So I'm using sine again. So I have the sine of angle B is equal to 5 over 12. To solve for that, the arc sine of 5 over 12 will give me angle B. So I'm using that arc sine again. 5 divided by 12. And I get 24.62. So B is equal to 24.62 degrees. So my next one, right, all you got to do, we did angle A last time, so we're going to find angle B. So here is angle, let's actually do angle A. Angle A. So angle A is right here. That is my hypotenuse. That is my adjacent. So I have the cosine of angle A is equal to 11 over 25. So to solve for that, I've got to use the cosine, the arc cosine, to get my angle. 11 over 25. Oh, that's quit. Second cosine 11 divided by 25. You get 63.89. So that's 63.89 degrees, right? So our next one, determine angle E. So for angle E, this would be my hypotenuse, but I have the opposite and I have the adjacent. Trig ratio that uses opposite and adjacent is tangent. So I have the tangent of E is equal to 3 over A. To solve for E, I've got to use the arctangent. I don't know what I was doing right there. I'm trying to write arc. So tangent of a negative 1, arctangent, will give me my angle. So tangent, 3 over 8. 3 divided by 8, finish it off. I get 20.556, so 20.56. So that angle is 20.56 degrees. So if you want angles out from your trig ratios, you got to use the arc sine, the arc cosine, or the arc tangent.